Hello guys, if you want to install any software which you have your PC and you want to try uninstall it and it gives some error, so must watch this video. So let's get started. First I am show you in my case one software MATLAB. I want to install this MATLAB. This is MATLAB, okay, and I want to install this software, but it gives some error. Okay, in your case it gave any other error, so I am going to install this. So I am going here and go to Google and Google type here IOBIT uninstall. Okay, click first link and click here. Okay, and download it. I am already downloaded, so start it. This, okay, so let's suppose I am going to uninstall this. Press here and click here, automatically remove distributed file and uninstall this. Okay, wait some minute and it's uninstalling this. Next, okay, now it's uninstalled and I want to install MATLAB. In the MATLAB, search MATLAB this and install this. Okay, uninstalled. So guys, it's uninstalled. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.